Okay, good morning, students. Today's topic is food adulterations. Food adulterations means mixing something substances in the food. That is consideration of the food adulterations. Firstly, we will see about the introductions of the food adulterations and the introduction of the food. Introductions. Through centuries, food has been recognized as important for the human being in health and diseases because if we will take the flu and food in the healthy manners, that will be going to promote our health, and if will be going to be contagious, then consideration it may be harmful to our bodies as well as other organs of the bodies. That's why the centuries food has been recognized as important as a both the aspect and the health promotions and the disease aspect also. Food surveillance is essential for the protection and maintenance of the community health, where the surveillance considers the observations. Food observation is essential for the protections of the our health and the maintenance of the community health both the way. So this is considered as observations. In the good observations, if we will take the food as a good manner, that is considerations of the maintenance of the community health. Food is a basic need of survival for the all over the community. What is adulterations? The meaning of the adulterations is reducing the purity of an article by the additions of the foreign body or inferior substances in the particular food. We are going to add in, if the food is pure and we are going to add something article which is going to be deduct in the set for purity of that particular food, that is considered as in food adulterations. Food adulterations is defined as an adding of the some low quality of substance in the food. That is considered as a food adulteration. That will be additives also, that will be adulterations of the also. Adulterations considering which is going to be reduced into some quality of that particular food, and additives which improves the qualities of the particular food. That is the, between the opposite of the adulterations and the additives. Define almost every situation where the quality of the food might be impaired to the point where this it should be removed. Where if it's going to be impaired the particular food, that is considered as a food adulterations. Adulterations act of the intentionally reducing the quality of the food orderings offered for the sell either by the mixtures or the situations of the substitutions of where inferior substitutions or by the removal of the some valuable ingredients. That is both the way. If we are going to add with something, the substance which going to be reduce the quantity or the which going to be reduce the quality of that particular food. But if we are going to remove the substances which improve the quality, that is considered as is valuable substitute removal from the particular food. That is consideration both the way alterations can be done. Alteration summary. Alteration is a defined sum of the health potentials, the harm, and reduction in economical value, where we are going to provide some money for the particular values or particular things, but we can't able to get that quality of the food. Presence of the abnormal foods, additives, and adulterators, that is both the way where if we're going to add some additives which improve the quality of the food, and whether it's going to be alterations that impair the quality of the food. Adulterations. Some example were the adulterations where first one is adding the stones in the pulses and grains which improve the that weight of the pulses, and if we're going to buy that pulses, what we get about the impaired stones and the pulses, and it having the height weight. Second one is water added in the milk can be adulterations because the milk is very prices, and it's having the values in our society. So what they are going to, they are going to add the water in that milk for maintaining of that particular weight. The third one is the adding of the sands, brown sugars, and the brown rice that is considered as a sand is color, same like color with the sugar. So they are going to add in that sugar, which impairs the quality of the particular sugar. Disadvantages of the online process is consumers paying more money where food stuffs, although it's a very lower quality, where they are unable to get the qualitable food. Some form of the alterations are introduced to the health, even resulting in the death also because of the if we're going to add some poisonings substances in that food that may be harmful to the other's body, that may be harmful to the community's body. That is consideration of the harmful to the, it may resulting in the death also. Intention adulterations, where you can be mix some one or two things in the particular quality food that will be improve the that particular food's qualities. That is, first one is a salt and acid food preservations, where we are going to eat add the ginger and mangoes. Food colors to give the attractive appearance, pink color, green with the copper salts, food flavors, apple, kava, banana, essential to the fruits. Milk is electrolyzed by the addictions of water and removal of the cream. That is because of we want something by adding something valuable things. If we're going to we add some valuable things in that, that is considered intentional adulterations, where we are going to add something intentionally for getting another food preservations, for getting the preservation of the food, for getting the another flavors, getting the another type of the things, making of the another type of the meat products. That is considered as in we are going to intentionally add something in that particular food. It may be a poisonous or a deleterious also, where poison is considered as an injurious effect or the deadly effect or a result of the chemical reactions between the substances and the body, where you are going to be considered as a harmful in our body. That may be a chemical reaction in our body, that can be our uh, psychological problems also, like consideration into gas in the floor. That is considered as if we're going to add that floor into gas, that will be maintain the weight of the fluid, and that considered as poisonous in our body. It may also affects on our digestive systems also. Then deleterious, that is considered as broader terms which includes mechanical, physicals, and the bacterial agent. Mechanical, physicals considered as electrical things, or mechanical science considered as electrical and physical things, where that broader terms includes the mechanical and bacterial agents considered as microorganisms. So we're going to add in our food that may be cause to the our nervous system's problem, that may cause of the digestive system problem also. Prevention of the food adulterations, where Prevention Act has been established in the 1954 for objective to ensure pure foods the consumers, to protect the consumers from the harm, encourage for the trade practices, and to maintain the food hygiene in the by the health status, where we have to be give the rights to the consumers for getting the pure amount of the food, for getting the what rate they are going to provide the money for getting the quality of the food about that money. Also, we are going to encourage the trade practices in our society, so they can able to get the knowledge about this act. They can able to knowledge about their rights, consumer rights. Then also we are going to maintain the food hygiene and the thereby the healthy status. If we maintain the food hygiene, that will be improve our status and reduce the illness also. That is the objectives of the 1954 Prevention Act, Food Adulteration Act. Prevention of the Food Adulteration Act was amended in 1964, 1976, and later in 1986 to make the act more strengthened. That will be going to this publish. That will be going to renew in the 1964, 1976, and right now 1986. There has been some change has been done according to our society, according to our rules and regulations and objective. So after the research, that can be recognized that they have to be do this some more activities to find out the problems, that to make the that act more strengthened. They have been disciplined in 1886. Minimum preservation of the 6 month with a minimum fine rupees 1,000 is enforced under the act of the case of the proven electricians. It's going to be check in the any preservaments. It's going to be check that they have victims. They're having harmful to the victims as consideration. They have to pay the 1,000 rupee enforced under the this act for the 6 month continuous 6 month. They have to provide the continuous 6,000 rupees as per the this law. With the continuations for the cases of adulterations which may render the food injuries to cause harm, the punishment may go up to life imprisonment, and the fine which shall not be less than 50,000. But it may be injurious to the health, it may be injurious to the victim's death. That consideration they have to provide the imprisonments also, with that they have to provide the 50,000 rupees per month to that particular family who are going to be victims about their food injuries. So this is a if maybe it's This is conditions of the patients. That may be look of the, they have to provide 1,000 rupees per month, they have to provide 50,000 rupees per month as per the patient's conditions, as per the victim's conditions who have been injurious by that particular food. Rules are made by the central committees for the food standards for maintaining the 1964, 1986 when they have been republished that act. They have decided to food standards have to be maintained. They have promoted the central committees for making the many rules and making the implementation rules also. Thank you everyone.